Hi everyone, good evening. Is my voice audible to everyone? Hello, is my voice audible to everyone? Okay, so thank you everyone for being here on this webinar on digital marketing on how to use it in education sector, and as well as we'll be going through one live case on how to generate leads, means free quality leads with your online presence as well, right? So that is the small case we'll be learning while going through the webinar. So again, I welcome to everyone to this webinar on digital marketing from Up Educators, Google for Education partner company. And before I start, I just want to conduct one poll, right? So there is a poll in front of you. It is asking about your understanding of digital marketing, your experience in digital marketing. Are you beginners or already doing some digital marketing with the help of an agency, or already running the digital marketing campaign, right? Requesting everyone to please submit the post so I understand where everyone stands, so I can customize my webinar as per the audience. So largely I can see most of the audience are beginners in digital marketing, right? So this is the thing that I can see. Largely everyone is in anyone already doing some work along with an agency. Okay, so I can see most of the participants are doing digital marketing with the help of means are beginners in digital marketing, and one of the participants, a couple of participants are there who are doing digital marketing with the help of some agency. Okay, everyone, thank you for responding to the poll. And after this, we'll so and largely in this webinar, we have the profile from largely from this is going to the profile coaching owners, private tutors, school admin, private training institute, freelance trainers, and anyone who is planning to start an education venture. Like largely this is going to be the profile, and even the educators who want to get digital marketing knowledge, right? And this is the in terms of beginners. So largely I can see most of the participants are beginners in digital marketing, and couple of participants are doing digital marketing with the help of an agency. So yeah, so this is the profile. And before we move further, so let me just introduce about Up Educators. So basically, Up Educators, we are a Google for Education partner company, and so and we have a leading institute in India offering upskilling courses to the educators, and we have trained nearly about 5,000 educators till date from nearly about 2,000 schools and colleges. And finally, around 500 educators have become Google and Microsoft. So these are the other certification that we're offering. So this is the overall about the Up Educators. And out of this many programs, this is one of the course that we have, like digital marketing for the educators. And this is about my profile. I have more than 10 years of experience in education sector and digital marketing. And I am a Microsoft certified data scientist, and as well as I'm a Google certified trainer, and Google certified in ads and analytics, right? So this is about me, and I'll be taking this webinar for next 1 hour. And here, so okay, I'll just directly come to the point directly. And yeah, so in then so about me, as I told you, I have more than 10 years of experience in the field of education and as well as in digital marketing. And for me, entire digital marketing is completely learning by trial and error method, right? So because I started using digital marketing, I think more than 12 years back, and at that time there were no institute over there. So we used to learn something like, for example, we used to see something here, there on the internet and here and there, and we used to try to experiment those things with the institute, right? This is how I learned it. And in terms of my training experience, I have, and I think like last couple of years, I have trained more than 700 or 800 educators on digital marketing, on how they can grow their institute using digital marketing, right? So this is overall experience that I have, and while working with them, while training so many educators, this experience has really enriched my experience as well, right? Because every time you have to understand their queries, their challenges, and you have to give them the solution. So this has really enriched my experience of digital marketing as well, right? So now we are starting with the webinar. So largely in education sector, if you see 4 or 5 years back, the entire importance was there of the infrastructure, right? So if you have got a good infrastructure, good building, good coaching class, it means it is a kind of success, right? So physical asset equal to success. So this was the picture you can say of last 4 or 5 years. But largely after COVID or during the COVID or after the COVID, this scenario has got completely changed. And now you don't have only physical asset, but the more importance is there to the digital assets. What is digital assets? So let me give the example. For example, when you have a website, that is your digital assets, right? Or when you have a YouTube channel, it can be your digital assets. And when you have your online presence on social media or on internet, on Google search, that is your digital assets. And even your skill sets, right? Your skill sets means your digital skill sets are again your skill sets, right? It means your understanding of digital marketing is again your skill set, is your asset now, right? Because if you have these skills, you can create all these 3 different assets that I have shown it to you, right? So that is the importance of digital marketing is increasing, because with the help of understanding of digital marketing, you can create digital asset which can give you return not only for the short period of time, but for a longer duration of time, right? That is the difference. When you talk about asset, means asset will give you return over a period of time. So, and here I'll take the example on teachers who became entrepreneurs and who created their institute or with the help of these digital assets. So here are some of the example, starting from Baiju Ravindran of from Byju's, right? And he started from a YouTube channel and a mobile app, and today they have millions of students across the globe. Similarly, Unacademy, again they started from a YouTube channel, and today again they have millions of students across the globe. And Salman Khan, that is from Khan Academy, and he is one of the most popular teacher in the world. And again, he started from a website, right? This is how teachers who started with a YouTube channel or from a website or from a mobile app, today they have millions of students across the world, right? So a good teacher does not mean a good teacher means only you, everyone has to be a good teacher. It can be you should have a good school, right? Or a good or anything that you are selling, right? You are selling books, you are selling coaching classes, English classes, whatever you are selling, a good product plus digital asset equal to success, right? So that is the new thing that we have to keep in mind. So if you have both these things, right? Because if you are very good in teaching, or you are representing the organization who is very good in teaching, right? But so that is one part of your success. The second part, how you are going to promote that, right? Then that promotion will happen now digitally, right? So that is why a good teacher or good product plus digital asset equal to success. And since most of the participants are beginners, so here my question is, what is digital marketing? So I'll not take much time to explain what is digital marketing. So here we go. So let's understand what is traditional marketing, right? So traditional marketing is something when you put a hoarding like this, right? That is a part of traditional marketing. Or when you give a newspaper ad, again, that is a part of traditional marketing. Or when you distribute the flyer, or when you paste the posters here and there, those are the example of traditional marketing. So what is digital marketing? So here are some example of digital marketing. So starting from website. So if you own a website, that is a part of digital marketing, right? In case you have a Instagram account, Facebook account, LinkedIn account, those are the part of your digital marketing, right? The second thing, if you have a YouTube channel, that is a part of digital marketing. Or in case if you do email, that is the example of digital marketing. Or even when you give an ad in Times of India, but not in physical Times of India, online Times of India, that is a part of digital marketing. And finally, when somebody write about you like the courses and your name is coming on the top, again, that is a part of digital marketing. So here are the various example of digital marketing. And here my question is, why educators in education institutes are moving toward digital marketing? Anyone would like to explain why educators in education institutes are moving toward digital marketing? Anyone?
Broader approach.
Yes, broader approach. You can reach out to people not only in your locality, but entire India and even across the globe. Yes. Anything else?
Competition is increasing day by day.
Yes.
So, as far as the finance part is concerned, that is getting constrained in the local areas.
Very
So,
true. Very true.
to explore, to break that, or to explore the bigger market with the lesser rates, so I feel digital marketing would definitely work out
All right.
as
So,
far as online education is
all
concerned.
right. So Jay is telling that digital marketing is cost effective in compared to traditional marketing.
Perfect, perfect.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Thank
Joshi
you.
ma'am, you have raised your hand. Okay, need of the hour, right? So very true. So need of the hour is well, right? So let me summarize it for everyone behalf, right? So first thing, why? Because the first thing, your audience, right? Your audience can be the student or the parents, right? They're spending nearly about 4 to 7 hours of digital devices, right? On Facebook and Instagram. So you have no other option, right? Even if you put a hoarding or a newspaper ad in physical newspaper ad, nobody's going to see it, right? Because largely they're spending their time on digital devices. Second, launch new courses quickly. I think this is a good example. For example, basically, I'll just share my example only. So we started. So for me, I think it's nearly about 10 to 15. I think in 10 to 15 years of my experience, I have launched nearly about more than 20 courses. Right. So initially, what we used to do, we used to develop the course or the product, whatever you say. We used to develop this study material, question bank, and PPT in some videos, right? And after developing everything, we used to start doing the marketing of it, right? And sometimes it may get success. Sometimes we used to realize, okay, whatever course that we are offering, students are not looking for the course that we are offering, or they are looking for the course, or they are looking for the features that we are not offering. So entire efforts of last couple of months, which we are putting in the developing of the course material, is gone for the toss, right? So now what we do, so we don't start creating the presentation and study material from the day one. We do the beta marketing first. So before developing the product, we do the beta marketing. What is beta marketing? So beta marketing means you just develop a web page of your course that you want to launch along with the outline, and you start doing our marketing on social media, for example, on Instagram and Facebook, by investing 500 or 600 rupees, and you'll be getting some leads. And while talking to the leads, you will understand whether the product that you are selling, either anyone is looking for or not, right? This is the way that you will be getting answer whether whenever you're launching some course, whether somebody is looking for your courses or not, with the help of digital marketing and by doing the beta marketing. Similarly, parents are making their decision on the basis of online presence and reviews. So I think all of you agree with me. Even whenever we go for a movie, right, a 2 hours movie, which will take 200 rupees, even we check the online reviews, right? So whenever somebody is planning to take the admissions with you, right, whether in your college, school, tuition classes, anywhere, definitely they will check your online presence and your reviews, right? Largely 70 to 80% of the cases are going to be there where they will be checking your online presence, right? And as JSG was telling, it can be done at the 1/10 of cost of traditional marketing. I'll give you my example. 10 years back, I'm talking about, not now, 10 years back, we started a course called CA Foundation in Pune, and we gave an ad in Sakal newspaper here in Pune. And that ad cost us near about 1.5 lakh rupees. That is, I'm talking about 10 years back. And for next 7 8 days, we were just we're just wondering how many calls we got. So hardly we got any calls over there, right? By spending only 1.5 lakh rupees. And here in digital marketing, by just spending 500 rupees, possibly you can generate 50 leads, right? So it can be done at the 1/10 cost of traditional marketing. You can reach out to global audience, very true. And measurable. Measurable means even whenever you're spending even 100 rupees, right? You get to know whether anyone has taken the admission because of those 100 rupees or not. And again, with the arrival of 5G and Web 3.0, the usage of digital devices will increase further. What does it mean? Importance of digital marketing will further increase in 5G and Web 3.0, right? So here are many of the examples that I covered. What are the challenges that our educators are facing in relation with digital marketing? Anyone? What are the challenges that you are facing in terms of digital marketing? Anyone? Or no challenge? I'm sure challenges are there. That is why all of you are attending the webinar.
We are not tech savvy.
Tech savvy. Okay. Anyone else?
You need a team to handle the social media platforms. If I'm not
Okay.
wrong.
Okay. Anything else?
The same problem with me also.
Which one, madam?
We are not tech savvy. So
Tech
we are
savvy.
not, there is no clear concept about the computer and how to handle it.
Right.
Create it. That is the main process,
The
Right,
most,
right.
main
Sorry, Rick?
criteria for that.
the main another thing is like the correct infrastructural setup with the low investment, because if you are going with the digital marketing, at least you should have a correct infrastructure setup for your online business.
Right. So yes, anything else? Right. Okay, so not getting potential leads. So here some of the challenges, right? So one is like as all of you explained, don't know anything about digital marketing. It's a huge failure, right? So that is one of the challenges that largely everybody is facing. क्या इतनी सारी चीजें हैं digital marketing में, right? So what to do? Second, digital marketing is very costly. That is why I never thought of it, right? That is the second thing. Second, not able to get the work done from my agency, right? Many times what people do, people start outsourcing this work of digital marketing to some agency or to some consultant, right? And not getting the desired result. Running the digital marketing activities, but not getting the desired result. Okay, I'm doing some activity. I already spent some amount of money, 5,000, 10,000 rupees, but not getting the result, right? And enrolled for digital marketing course, but could not relate with the concept with my business, right? So I enrolled for some digital marketing course already. I spent already some couple of thousand money, but I could not relate whatever they taught with my education business, right? So these are the largely challenges with the educators. So I think this is the first question that I think this is an apt question that every one of you have in your mind, right? Like it is tech savvy and everything. Though I'm not denying digital marketing definitely require good understanding of technical thing, but is learning digital marketing a difficult task? Earlier slide, okay.
No, we can learn. We can.
We can learn.
As I am a science and math student, teacher,
Come again, madam?
can easily. I am a science and math teacher, so I can learn if I will try.
Yes. So even if you're not science and mathematics teacher, then again you can also learn, right? No, but anyway, so since anyway you have a good understanding of science and mathematics, possibly it will be easier for you to learn, right? But is learning digital marketing a difficult task? So I think generally what happens, whenever you talk about digital marketing with anyone, right? Anyone means your relatives or friends who knows about digital marketing, right? What will happen? You get overwhelmed by the number of tools and strategies available, right? They will talk about, digital marketing is a very good thing. You have Instagram, you have LinkedIn, you have website, you have search engine optimization, you have Pinterest, you have Twitter, Bing, YouTube, Reels, everything is there. What happened? We get scared. हमको डर लग जाता है कि यार ये सारी चीजें, so many things are there. How I'm going to do it, right? So, and I'm right. So this is the case with everyone. So here is the example that we take. So for example, assume you have 5 cars. Fortunately, you have 5 cars, and unfortunately, you don't know driving, right? You don't know how to drive a car. So now, for example, you have to learn driving a car, right? Will you get scared? You have to learn 5 cars, or I can learn only 1 car, right? If I learn 1 car, I can easily drive other 5 cars, right? What does it mean? If you learn even 1 car, you can easily drive other 5 cars. Are you getting my point? So we don't have to be scared by the number of tools which are available, right? Why? Because once you learn one tool, for example, once you learn Facebook, you can easily use other tools which are available. Like you can easily use LinkedIn, Twitter, anything which is there, right? But it's not a very difficult thing, learning digital marketing. So it's all about learning 1 or 2 tools in and out. If you learn 1 or 2 in and out, then definitely you can learn other tools as well. Similarly, there is something called Pareto principle. Anyone, do you know what is Pareto principle? Anyone, any idea? Do you know what is Pareto principle? No one? So generally, what does Pareto principle say? 20% of your effort will give you 80% of the result, right? And remaining 80% of the effort will give 20% of the result. I will say in another way, 20% of your learning will give you 80% of the result. And remaining 80% of your learning will give you 20% of the result, right? 20% of your student will give you 80% of the revenue, and remaining 80% of the student will give you 20% of the revenue. So this principle is applicable in most part of our life. What does it mean? even in digital marketing, 20% of the tools will give you 80% of the result, and remaining 80% of the digital marketing tools and strategy will give you 20% of the result. So what does it mean? We should learn this 20% first, right? If you're able to use this 20%, then easily you can do remaining 80%. Right, everyone? Right. So this is the thing that we have to keep in mind. And with agency, what happened? Many people start outsourcing their activity to some digital marketing agency. And what problem they face over there? Because what we have to understand, when you are outsourcing your work to some agency without understanding digital marketing on your own, what will happen? First of all, you will face identifying the right agency only. Why? Because since you do not know anything about digital marketing, so definitely he will come, he will say blah 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 to you, right? He will show you sky and stars and moons, and it may happen that he may not be knowing everything about digital marketing, right? You may start spending money with him, couple of thousand rupees, 10,000-20,000 rupees in couple of months, and you slowly realizing it, you're not getting any result. Similarly, the second thing, generally what I say, if you are into education, two things are very important. One, definitely delivery of your services, right? The way that you're teaching, you're teaching, or your school is teaching, or anyone who is there, right? The second most important part after this is your promotion, right? So you cannot outsource the main activity of your business to anyone else without understanding it, right? This is about agency part. And so here I'll just show you some feedbacks on what people do tell about the agency.
I joined this course just to see what is it in digital marketing, because we were paying a bomb to our digital marketing team, while half the work we were doing, right from writing a report or a write-up. And
All right, so this is the thing that largely happen with many people. And sometimes people do say, I started running some digital marketing campaign, but I'm not getting the desired marketing result, right? So largely what happened, what you have to see, like every thing, even digital marketing is very systematic approach, right? So unless you don't understand digital marketing in these 5 pillars, you will not able to understand digital marketing, right? What are these 5 stages of digital marketing? So first of all, you should be able to identify the right strategy for your business, right? For example, if you're an education institute or like a school, you will be having a different strategy. If you're a EdTech institute offering only online classes, you will be having a different strategy. If you are a coaching class, you'll be having a different strategy and different goals, right? So first of all, which you should be knowing which is the right strategy for your education institute. The second is research and competitive analysis, that largely people don't pay any attention to it. Because if you are very good in research and competitive analysis, it does not take much time, but you will be learning excellent things from your competitors and from your audience, right? The kind of insight that you'll be learning from your audience and competitors is going to be immense. So this is very important to understand what your competitors are. So you will be understanding what best practices your competitors are adopting, right? So you can directly copy it from them and you can change it. So many things are there that you are not aware of. The third is targeting, right? For example, if you want to target parents, then which is the right platform? If you want to target parents, the right platform is Facebook. If you want to target teenagers, the right platform is Instagram. If you want to target principals, or if you want to target working professionals, then right platform is LinkedIn. So for everything, there is a different platform is there. And communication and design, how you're communicating, how you're designing the banners, very important. And finally, analysis of performance. So whether are you able to analyze the performance of your campaign or not? If you're able to do the analysis of your campaign, then definitely you can do wonders. And one thing that you have to keep in mind, in traditional marketing, you don't get any data. And in digital marketing, you get lots of data, right? So you should be knowing which is the important data that is there for you, which can help in improving your business efficiency. So after this, I do get some participants enrolled for some digital marketing course, but could not able to relate, because then what happened in most of the digital marketing courses, you have participants from across the industry, right? From FMCG to e-commerce to mobile application downloads to film industry and to real estate. So what happened as a trainer, they have to give an example from each of the industry, right? And for example, when I give the example of how to increase the app download, right? That may not be related to education industry. So generally what happened, people don't able to connect what exactly is being there. So these are the different challenges. And to address these challenges, we have this program called Digital Marketing Course for the Educators. A to Z of digital marketing means from basic to advanced. So here you'll be learning both the basic as well as the advanced part of it. So this entire training program is being designed for the coaching owner, school admin, freelancer to get the desired result at a very minimum cost from Up Educators, a Google for Education partner company. And largely in this training program, you will be learning about the digital tool strategies which are very successful in education sector. It's going to be completely hands-on training session with 80% practical, 20% theories. 25% participants, 25 participants are going to be there in each batch, who are going to be from schools, coaching class, colleges, private tuition for effective discussion. And even trainer is going to be from Google's with the experience of education industry, right? So here again, I'll just share you one feedback before we move.
What I really liked about the class was you being very specific to education, you being you understand, and I think because you're also doing this, you also understand the, what do you call, the nuances of what happens in this business and how we should be looking at things.
Right. So this is very important thing that we are to understanding. And now this training program, I'll be going to some live case as well, right? So we have divided into 5 weeks live interactive training course and master class on advanced topics, right? So basically what exactly is in the 5 weeks? So this 5 weeks course has been covered on the basis of educators' questions only. So what kind of questions you have, on that basis we have designed the module. Like for example, you have a doubt, how do I ensure my institute or class name come first in Google search when someone searches for science classes in Nagpur, right? How do I ensure to have positive online presence when someone searches for my institute name? How I can keep the watch when someone type or write my institute name? So here are the questions are there, and largely for this online presence, right? So we'll be covering something called Google business page or local SEO. So let me give the example over here. So for example, I'm sure most of you are aware of this thing. For example, you are looking for, somebody is looking for English classes, right? Where they will be typing in this information? They'll be typing in Google, right? English classes. For example, if somebody is from Jaipur, they will be typing English classes near me or in Jaipur. Now, for example, I just typed in, okay, sorry. I'm just going into this one. Yahoo, just let me change it. I'm just searching on Chrome, English classes in Jaipur. Or I can add any other city, right? So how many of you will be clicking on this first 3 results? Everyone, how many of you will be clicking on this first 3 results? Anyone? So largely 60% of the people will click on first 3, right? Then remaining will go down. What does it mean? So many pages are there, right? In Jaipur like this, if I click onto this, so many pages are there here, right? But why these 3 pages are coming on the top? Right, everyone? So if you understand the process of bringing this page on the top, what does it mean? Even your page can come over here, right? And largely what I told you, if somebody is searching for English classes in Jaipur, 60% chances are there he will click one out of these 3, right? It means they can click, they can directly give a call to you, and it is been direct business for you. And that's completely free. You do not have to pay anything to bring your website result here, right? It is completely free, right? So this is called Google Business Page, which is a completely property of Google, which is completely free for all the educators, right? So I'll just give one quick example of it, how to create it. For example, you have to go to your Gmail ID, like this one. And on your Gmail ID, so I'm just I'm going a bit fast over here, reason being because I have to cover a lot many things. But just for your understanding, I'm giving it to this example. So here I click on the 9 dots. And can you see there is something called business profile, right? Here in your 9 dot, there's something called business profile. And in this business profile, this is the way you will be creating your Google business page, right? And now, for example, since I have created multiple Google business pages, every time I create one page. So now let me create a new page, right? And here I give the example. we are creating a Google business page for one English class. The name of the institute is UpSpeak, and they are there in Chennai. Right, everyone? They are there in Chennai. If the institute name is UpSpeak. So here I add a single business. And we all learn everything in details. Now, what should I type over here? Find and manage your business. What should I type over here? Type your business name. Anyone? The most common thing that will come from you is, what should I type over here? Participants, please be interactive. Right? UpSpeak. Anyone else? Right? Because this is the name of our institute. That is why we'll be typing this. But this is a wrong strategy. Right? Why? Why are writing our business name is a wrong strategy over here? Then what we should be typing? Anyone? I've already given you the hint.
Yeah, because people are not searching you with your brand name. People are searching with the like top English institute.
Yes. So Priya madam and Shefali madam are up to the point, very up, right, up to the mark. So they are searching with English classes in Chennai, something like this. So ideally, I should be typing over here English classes by UpSpeak, right? So this is the thing that we have to keep in mind. Now, another thing that is there coming to my mind, what people are typing to search for English classes. Are they typing only English classes, or they're typing English Institute, English Academy, or spoken English classes, right? What should I type, right? Because what should I type over here? What people are searching for the maximum, what keyword they are using maximum to search for the English classes, right? Any guesses?
Best English classes.
Best English classes? Anyone else?
Spoken English classes.
So now we are coming from different ideas, right? So how do I know what should I type, right? So this is, should we make only wild guesses here and there based on our experience, or is there any tool which can tell me what people are searching, right? So like I'll just give a very good analogy over here. So sometimes we call Google as God. Why we call Google as God? Because Google knows everything, right? So why Google knows everything? Because whatever is coming to your mind, right? Means I want to go for some vacation. What we do? Which are the best places in India? We're typing in Google. Which are the best movies to watch? We're typing in Google. Which are the best restaurant nearby? We're typing in Google. Which are the best coaching classes? We're typing in Google. Which are the best English classes? We're typing in Google, right? What does it mean? Google knows everything. Can I get this information from Google? What exactly people are typing when they're searching for English classes? Yes, you can get this information from Google. But how much we have to pay? How much we have to pay? Any wild guesses?
Why we have to pay? Because we are Googling.
No, not to Google. To get the search volume from Google. How many people are typing English classes?
0.
Yeah. So Jayji is right. 0. There is a tool available from Google only. ads.google.com. Right. So since sign up process take 5-6 minutes of time, that is why I'm directly here in this. I already signed up. And here what I will be typing, I'll go to tools and settings. Right. Once you signed up, you will see tools and settings on the top. I click on tools and settings like this. Tools and settings. I clicked on the tools and settings. So just this is taking some update. Just 1 minute. Just it's loading. It just hold for 30 seconds. It will start working. So after clicking tools and settings, on the left hand side, there's something called planning. Under planning, I click keyword planner. Right? I just clicked on keyword planner. And here in the keyword planner, I'll be typing all the keywords which are there in my mind, right? So I'll be typing best English classes, and whatever keywords which are there in our mind. So I'll be typing all those keywords over here. Get search volume and forecast. And here I'll be typing. So the first word suggested by Shefali madam is best English classes, right? English classes. Then English Institute. Anyone wild guesses which will come on top? Right, so no English classes. Number one English classes. I doubt number one English classes.
Sir, top
Okay, so
rated.
let's start. Top rated.
rated.
Top I can write top rated. Okay, top rated. Right, here we type the keyword and get it started. Right, so I type all this keyword. So can you see the wide difference? So only best English classes, only 320 people are writing, right? Largely is English classes. And the word that we never assume is spoken English classes is the maximum one. Largest one is spoken English classes, 33,100 people. Right, everyone? What does it mean? What I should keep my page name, spoken English classes, right? Spoken English classes by Upspeak. Here. This can give me the maximum visibility. Similarly, these are the only two techniques that we discuss. Since due to the shortage of time, we will not be able to discuss everything. But what does it mean? If you need about such 7 to 8 other practices are there, if you do it, chances are there your page may start coming on the top of the search result within a one time, right? And this is completely free ka business. Free ka business means you do not spend a single rupee to bring your page on the top of the search result of Google, right? So here, this is the first part, and the second online presence, again with Google presence, the second presence will happen with your reviews, right? Your online presence. So since we are talking about online presence, and if you go on internet, for example, some of you may go to internet and you may type about Up Educators, right? You may type Up Educators, right? And then you will see on the right hand side, largely people will, if you type the brand name, you will see the reviews, right? So you can see over here, for Up Educators, we have got 4.9 rating out of 709 Google reviews. Very important. So bringing this Google page on the top of the search results is very important. One, it will give you lots of visibility, lots of clicks, lots of phone calls, and as well as it brings lots of credibility to you, because why it will bring lots of credibility, because many people will click onto your Google reviews and they will come to know about what exactly why people are liking you, right? So this is the reason that you should be having online presence. And we go to the next point from here. I want to test one idea. I have one idea with me for my coaching class, and how to create a website, right? To test the idea, right? I have one idea and I just want to experiment whether that idea will run or not. Without any expenses, I want to create a website, right? I want to create a professional website which has all the features like chat, payment collection, but not required to learn coding, right? And how do I ensure my website come on top of Google search result? And how do I develop landing pages for customized social media campaign or funnel marketing, right? So these are the other, so again, some of the question may be directly relevant to you. Some of the question you may not be able to understand. For example, question number 4, you may not be able to understand now, but anyway, it's okay. So here you need to create a website, right? So here in our training program, you will be learning about 3 websites, sorry. So one is starting with a completely free website. So here I go, and this is the website that you will be learning. This website is a website that we created on Google site, right? This website is going to be completely free for you. You do not have to spend a single rupee to create a website like this, right? So whenever you want to test your idea, or you're a small institute like a tuition class, something like this, you are studying something first time. Even when we started Up Educators, we created a website on Google site one day, right? So once we start getting the result, when students started taking the enrollment with us, then we move to another website, right? But initially in this website, you'll be having all the images, you'll be having forms and everything is there and it's completely free of charge, right? You can have all the success stories on your website. You can have all the registration on your website. People can come and register for the webinar, seminar like this. They can register over here. Even you can sell the courses over here on this website like this. Right? If I click onto this, it will take me to the payment page. Like this. So here I can go and I can make the payment. Similarly, even I can publish my learning resources on this website. In case if you have some learning resources, you can publish those resources onto this website. So I can publish my ebook, I can publish my PPT, PDF, right? Or presentation, so anything I can update over here like this. Right? And similarly, so this website will serve you multi-purpose website. That is why I tell you this website, everybody should know about it. This is a multi-purpose website. And here even I can add a video library like this, right? So multiple uses are there. So again, I'm coming back to the point. So this is a free website that you will be able to create. The second website that you will be learning over here is the Zoho site, right? Zoho site is a professional website, and a professional website means it will look professional, right? It means nobody will say that you have designed this website, right? And how difficult or how easy is to create a website like this? Again, that also will check it. So here I go, click on the preview option. This is a professional website. Right, everyone? Like this, it will look like this. And I can click on courses if I'm selling multiple courses, right? So website is a very important part. Even I will check how this website is looking on the mobile. This is the way this website is looking on the mobile, right? So this website is again not a very costly website. It will only cost you 160 rupees per month, right? So in a year, you have to spend only 2,000 rupees to create a website like this. And a very good part of it, this is also very easy. I will not say this is as easy as like Google site, but definitely is a very, again, is a easy website. For example, here I go and I want to add 3 images over here. So what I have to do, I just need to click on add section and 3 images. So I have to select any of the section with 3 images. Or let me see, okay, I'm just adding this one, 4 images. Just click onto this. I'm reading my 4 images. Now what to do? Change the text. Just keep your cursor over here and change. I'm just adding something. Similarly, this is the way you can change the text and image. Just keep your cursor over here and there is an option called change image, right? So again, though this website requires some technical means some practice, but you can create a beautiful website on your own within a daytime, and it will cost you only 160 rupees. Otherwise, in the market, somebody will be charging you nearly about 10,000, 15,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees for a website, right? So you can create your own website without depending upon anyone. And even this website, with the help of Zoho site, you will also able to create a landing page. You know, like sometimes you go to some pages, some campaigns are there on Facebook, enroll with the course or register for the webinar, and you go to a page like this.
So sorry to interfere. Can I? Sorry, I just interrupt without raising my hands. I just want to ask, this is 160 rupees per month, right? Now,
Right.
Suppose I'm running for 1 year and after that I want to drop out. So my website will go away from this site, like?
Definitely, that is there everywhere, sir. Other than Google
Okay,
site, every website,
okay.
like if you are continuing till 1 month, right?
Okay.
That website content will be there, and
Okay.
only thing that your content will be there, but your website is not going to be live.
Okay, okay. It will not be live, but the content will be there.
Content will be there.
Okay, it will be registered, right?
But
Content will be registered.
they will be emailing you whenever they are going to delete your content, right? After some time, they may delete the content. Even Google site may, if there is no activity on the page, they may delete the content, but they will be emailing you a couple of times.
But then suppose I operated for 1 year and keep it blank for say around, may drop out for 4 months and again back I want to set. Is it possible, or I have to pay for the rest of the 4 months also? Which
No,
are
sir,
not.
you have to just request them. They may extend the period, right? They may
Okay,
extend for
that's
1 or 2 months. I know. I don't know about the 4
Okay.
months, but 1 or 2 months, they do it.
that's fine. Great. Thank you so much.
So this is the way you will able to design the landing pages. Again, using the same Zoho site, right? So you don't have to learn. These are the landing pages are required whenever you are running any activity for the webinar or for any short courses. this is called landing page, right? So again, this you will able to do. Again, I'm coming back. So this is all we learned about the website and why Zoho website. Zoho is India's largest SaaS-based company, right? And they have got 50 other products. What if you have 50 other products? For example, tomorrow onwards, you want to start a chatting on your website, right? Then again, they have a chat system. Tomorrow onwards, you want to accept the payment on your website. Then again, they have a payment gateway. Tomorrow onwards, you want to connect your website with the CRM. CRM is a customer relationship management software. It's an advanced part of the digital marketing. So again, you can connect your website with the CRM, right? So this Zoho site has got everything. Then again, in our training program, we'll be also learning how to bring your website on top of the search result in like the way that we did Google business pages. Similarly, your website will also come on the top of the search result. For example, I'll give the example over here. If somebody is writing digital marketing course, for example, for educators, right? So these are the ad. Sponsored means ad. Sponsored means ad. And you can see the first page is coming off Up Educators, digital marketing course for the educators, right? So what does it mean? So even your website will come on the top of the search result, right? But it's a long process. So it will not happen in a week time, but definitely your website can also come on the top of the search result.
I incidentally happened to come across.
So here, okay, I'll just take you through one review. So how it helped him manage when his website started coming on the top of the search result. Just let me.
This course, and I was delighted because I've already burnt my a lot of money and fingers in digital marketing, and because I would always realize that most of the people have half knowledge and many of them are not even sincere. So it was like very saddening. And then your course came along, and so somehow the way it was projected, the way it was pitched was very convincing. So I realized that if these guys know how to market themselves, they will definitely give me some idea about marketing. So that, and I was not wrong. So, and you come across as a very humble and very nice guy. I mean, so the connect was there from day one. You were wanting to give whatever you knew. I mean, that was the best part. So, and of course, your knowledge is very deep and more importantly, very practical. And because the support was very genuine, the knowledge that you imparted was very genuine, because you were not teaching as a marketer, you were teaching as a teacher, which is what I love. Because you don't have any vested interest when you are sharing your knowledge, because you know that at the end of the day, you want us to be aware of all the tricks of digital marketing. So in particular, the Google class, I mean, I use that business, Google business, whatever strategies and tips that you gave, then I used it. And now I see that my website ranking is quite up. I mean, it's the top 3 now. So which is what something was very heartening. I did not think about doing it until I met you. So one of the takeaway of this entire workshop is that my Google ranking has gone up, especially the SEO thing. So you made me understand the SEO tricks so in such a lucid manner that I was so glad. I would speak to even my digital marketers, they were unable to answer any of my questions. You were very, very helpful. So thanks to you.
Right, so this is the way which people could able to bring their site on the top of the search result within some time, but definitely does not happen with everyone, right? Sometimes bringing a site on the top of the search result may take a couple of months as well. Now, other kind of question: how I can learn what students are looking for on Google search? So already we have given one example, but I'll be giving you another example. Which ads of my competitors are doing well, right? Why this is very important for us? Because if I understand these are the ad of my competitors are doing well, then even I can create a similar kind of ad, right? Which Facebook and Insta ads are doing most popular? What keywords people are typing before they visit the competitor website? Which are the most popular courses in my category? So these are the different questions that you may have in your mind. And here you'll be learning about the research and competitive analysis tools, and you'll be learning about. Okay, so here I'll give the example. For example, here we are, right? So for example, I want to start something called banking classes, right? And so I want to understand, okay, let me type banking classes over here. So I just want to understand what people are typing, means what people are searching, what people have in their mind when they're searching for banking classes. Because I'm designing a webinar or I'm designing a brochure, I should know when somebody is searching for the banking classes, what kind of question they have in their mind. So here we go. I select India and say search. So when somebody is searching for banking classes, this kind of question they have in their mind. Can you see? Banking classes, best banking classes. And again, these are the question. If I click plus, then again I'll be getting other kind of questions over here. So how you can use this information? Anyone? How you can use this information? The tool name is also ask.co. It's a free tool. You can also use it. How you can use this information? Anyone? Which bank exam is easy? Is banking course hard? These are the different questions that people are asking when they have when they are looking for banking classes. So how do you use this information? Anyone?
We can just add it as a hook word in our ad.
Yeah, so definitely very true, Madam Shifali is very right. You can add as a hook word in your ad. Very true. Second, whenever you are giving a webinar, you should address these questions, right? Whenever you are developing a website, this can be your FAQs as well, right? Whenever you are publishing your brochure, again in the FAQs, you can have this many questions over there, right? So now you're understanding what kind of questions your audience will be having in your mind. So again, coming from here, how do I design effective communication? How I can write ad copy like professional copywriter? How I can design ad copy like and post like a pro? Or how I can create and edit videos like a pro, right? These are the questions they have in their mind. So again, here you will be learning both the copywriting principle and again how to design the ad. What is copywriting principle? For example, these are two ad copies are there. Definitely you will say copy number 1 is good, ad copy number right, which is there on the right side is looking good. So why it is looking good? Because it is designed on the basis of one principle called AIDA principle. This is a copyright principle. Copyright principle means this the techniques of writing the ad, right? So the first part of your ad should grab the attention. The second part should increase their interest. The third part should increase their desire. And the fourth part should motivate them to click somewhere. For example, let me give the example. Are you a class 10 student? This is grabbing your attention. Are you targeting NEET or JEE? This is creating the interest. Scholarship is increasing your desireness. And the fourth is register today's click action, right? So this is AIDA. So similarly, in other ad also, in a single copy also, you can get attention, interest, and desire and action, right? These are the copywriting principles are there. So different, nearly about 7 to 8 copywriting principles are there that you'll be learning. AIDA, pass, BAP, features, benefit, advantage, 5 objection, FOMO, and data and headlines. Coming again, you will be learning how to design impactful images, right? So you will be learning like how to design these images, that too without investing much amount, right? So we'll be using the entire full version of Canva to learn how to design the images like this. Again, we'll be learning how to design the videos. So that is there. How to get more followers on my Facebook page, what kind of posts which are most popular in social media, how to prepare content calendar, how to create posts and campaign caption using AI. So here, for example, very important because now everything is going towards social media. So for example, here, let me give the example of Up Educators only. If you go to our website, and I go down, and here I can see Facebook. I click onto the Facebook. And right, so here, what does it mean? So let me first of all show you the followers that our pages, Facebook page has. And similarly, we'll be sharing all the strategies on how you can prepare a page like this, where you have so many followers. For example, just 1 minute. So you can see nearly about 1,34,000 people are following Up Educators page. So this is the largest followed page by the teachers, right? So one of the largest page. So this is the way you will able to create visibility, this kind of post that we are having. So everything we'll be discussing over here, how to design even a post like this. But definitely this video you have to shoot, right? But we'll be giving you the techniques. But this is the way you'll be able to learning how to design this kind of reels and everything. So this is the part. And after this, we'll be covering social media. This is called social media organic. Social media organic means Facebook followers, how to increase the followers, how to create an engaging content. And after this, you'll be learning about the paid copy, how I can design the ad copy which is working in education business, how to generate lead at the rate of 20 to 30 rupees per lead, how to reduce the cost of my Facebook campaign, I am studying science classes for grade 9 students and want to start an Insta campaign to target the parents. I am not sure which parents of the kids who are in grade 9, right? So whom to target? You are starting a new course called Rubik classes. Not many parents have idea about Rubik cubes, but whoever get to know about the Rubik cube become interested in enrolling their kids for the course. What kind of campaign should I start? Right? Different kind of questions are there in your mind. So again, this entire PET campaign will able to solve those queries, right? What are the right campaign? What is funnel marketing? What is how to create the most engaging campaign? Find the relevant audience too for your campaign. So everything will be learning it over here, right? Again, how to reduce the cost of your campaign. So for example, I'll just give you one technique. For example, this is an ad copy. Best professional development courses for the teachers in digital age, Google certified educator, right? There is no problem in this ad. But when we change this ad and we change this image with this image, we could able to reduce the cost of campaign by 20 to 30%. Why? Why we could reduce the campaign cost? The reason was there. Yes, she was looking like a teacher, but may not be a teacher, right? But here, this one, like she is looking like a teacher, and when somebody see your ad, first of all, their eyes, they will start focusing on the image part first. So as soon as they realize, okay, there is something for the teachers, right? Then they may possibly hold on to your ad and see your ad or read your ad, right? Just by changing the image. Similarly, you can by changing the colors, by changing the design, you can even do the lots of cost optimization. So okay, I'll just now again you'll be learning about Google search results. Means when you type data science course, these are the ad, these are the paid ads. So how to run this kind of ad as well, that you'll be learning. And then how to identify how many visitors are coming to my website, from which location, what time, what pages of the website, and how to identify the campaign which are very effective. So everything you'll be learning with Google Analytics, right? And again, using analysis using Excel sheet, right? So both of these things you'll be learning. And how I can automate the process of sending the email and messages, how to track the performance of my sales team. In case if you have a sales team, then how to track the performance, and how I can identify which lead source or marketing medium is working for me. So here you'll be learning about the CRM and the automation. It's a bit advanced techniques, but again, you'll be learning about the CRM in our training program, right? So that is why I told you in the beginning, it's covered everything from basic to advanced, right? And then again, you'll be learning about database marketing, email marketing, and how to write effective emails without much efforts, how I can develop the ad copy using AI, right? So again, you'll be learning artificial intelligence. Now you don't have to write any blog, you don't have to write any ad copy, you don't have to write any email. AI will work for you, right? Similarly, I'll give the example of how you can use AI to develop a logo for you. So here I go, right? Brand mark. So I think requesting everyone, we may extend this webinar just by 5 minutes. I hope you don't mind it, right? So I'm just, this is an application called brandmark.io. Here I'm typing, for example, I want to create a logo of Upspeak. And helping you communicate better. So some ideas to engine, like it is for communication, training, expert, students. I'm just giving some random keywords which are related to my institute. Selection of the colors. And this is a free tool, right? Brandmark.io. So you can also use it. You see, otherwise, logo creation is a 5,000 or 10,000 rupees process, right? Can you see? So we got so many logos over here and completely original logo, no plagiarism, no copyright issues, right? So again, I'm coming back. So now master classes. So this everything will be covering in our regular training program of 5 weeks. After this, you'll be getting master classes. So master classes we conduct 1 or 2 master classes every month. So here in the master classes, you will be learning about Instagram marketing, YouTube marketing, advanced Facebook master class, advanced Google Ad master class, WhatsApp marketing class, website for beginners, WordPress, LinkedIn master class, and marketing psychology in digital age, right? These are the advanced topics that you will be learning. And how this course is different from other digital marketing courses, which are not only meant for the educators, because they are also teaching Facebook, Google, website and everything, right? Definitely they are also teaching everything. But what happened? In our training program, right, all the case studies, all the example that we are going to take are going to be from education industry. And even all the participants, those who are going to join in our training program are going to be from education only, right? So you won't be learning only from the trainer, but as well as from all the participants, those who are going to be from education industry. So that is why this program is going to be more effective for you. And these are the training program details. 5 weeks live training program, 8 master classes on advanced topic. After it, assignments, study material, pre-classroom videos, regular doubt solving sessions, and certification from UP educators. Right. So this is the certification that you'll be getting. And the next batch we're starting on 14th of March, just after 4 days. And the timing is going to be 8:30 to 10 p.m. And you'll be getting all the recording of the classes for next 1 year. You'll be getting the recording. The fees is 8,000 rupee, and for the master class fees is 3,000 rupee. So put together it's going to be 11,000 rupee. And only for this batch, right? So you don't have to pay the master class fee. So in 8,000 rupee, you'll be getting the even master classes, right? So the batch is going to be on, as I told you, 14th of March. And quickly, I'll take you through our website. This is UP Educators website. If you go over here, you will see Google certified, digital marketing for educators. Right. So this is A to Z of digital marketing for educators. Whatever is required for the educators, everything is here. And you can come to this website, read the content. And why I'm taking you through this website, just go over here, and here you will get the nearly about 100+ video reviews of different participants, those who have joined this training program and have got benefited in terms of increasing enrollments or this one visibility, right? So you can go through these videos, right? So nearly about 100+ videos are there, right? Reviews are there, right? Possibly some of the educators you may know, right? So you can go through it and you can take the informed decision, right? So you have 3-4 days left before we are starting the training program, the next batch on 14th of this month. Right.
Sorry to interrupt. I just have one query.
Just coming. Just the last thing, right? So there is a poll now in front of everyone. In case anyone want to know more about this course, kindly say yes in the poll. Requesting everyone to please, there is a poll in front of you. So I can see now, I think half of the participants are given their response. So only 2 or 3 participants are there. Requesting remaining 2 people also, please give the response over there. I think everyone has given, I think only 2 people have not given the response. It's okay, right?
What is the total duration of the course?
Right. The core module is going to be 5 weeks, right? Starting from 14. So it's going to be 5 weeks. After this, we'll be having the advanced classes. Advanced topics are going to be 1 or 2 classes only every month. So those advanced topics will be there till next 6 months.
Okay.
Right?
So are we going to cover AWS also, like how to connect to Amazon, Flipkart, if we are having a product-based business?
Product-based business, madam, definitely AWS part definitely will not be covering, nor will be covering the Flipkart, because largely here we are focusing on the education business.
Yeah, but that also comes under the latest marketing techniques, like how we can connect with the Amazon and Flipkart.
Madam, Amazon, I am into digital marketing since more than 10 years, right? Even when I got my website on AWS, I hired a developer for the same, right? It's very technical, right?
Okay.
So not because this is for this is the activity that you do once in a lifetime, right? Or once in 3-4 years. So why to learn it?
Okay. Okay.
Right. In case you want to get into the profession of website development and website uploading and website hosting, then you have to learn it, not otherwise.
Sir, when is the next batch will start? Because
The 14th of March.
After that, when will
Then 10th of April.
From 10th of April. Okay.
Right.
Okay. So I will start from the April, and after that.
Every month we have a batch.
Every month you have a batch. Oh,
Yes.
it's okay. Because
But only thing that in summers, generally in summers, more participants are going to be there in summers, right? And you won't be in a discount because in summers, all the educators have got time, right? So that is why, so in summers, largely batches are packed. But anyway, you can take the decision in case you want to do it later on. You can also do it later on.
I have
The
one
classes will
question.
be,
Hello.
Yes, madam.
Is it like customized one? Like if you have in one class, there would be like 25 participants. So for each and every participants, if they, I'm in transformation coach. So according to that, will you be able to assist me? Like how to launch, like customized one, like personalized, or it is general way?
Generally, even for the transformational coach, you are a transformational coach, but anyway, you are looking for the students or the parents, right, or the working professional, right, for your coaching business, right? So that is same with everyone, right? Even somebody is a life coach, again, he has the same thing. Even if somebody is an NLP coach, he has got the same thing, right? Even in digital marketing, we are also looking for the working professional. So at the end of the day, we all are selling the courses and coaching, right? So all those examples will be covered.
Okay, thanks.
the classes will be thrice a week.
Twice a week, and you'll be getting the recording of the classes for next 1 year.
And if we
Okay.
miss any one of them, then
And that is why I told you, we'll be getting the recording of the class immediately after the class for next 1 year.
1 year. Okay.
Anything else from the participants?
Is it one-time payment of 8,000?
No, one is very reasonable fee, right? So it's generally one time only.
Sir, how can I record the class when I will not present at
No,
that
we'll
time?
be recording the class and we'll be sending you the recording.
Okay. In my WhatsApp?
No. It is there on the learning management system. So we'll be giving you one LMS, right? On that LMS, we'll be uploading the recording.
Okay.
But
So
we
in
won't
this
be able-
marketing, in this course, will you taught me will you tell me about how to make the videos, educational video?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
In case we want to see the videos after a year, we won't be able to access that, right?
Yes.
Can you repeat the part of making a logo?
Okay, so it is there on brand mark. Okay, just 1 minute. So the website name is brandmark.io, right? Here you have to start create my logo. You have to give the name of your branch, like for example, Up Educators. I'm just adding some slogan like this. Certain keywords which help to which helps AI to understand what exactly you're offering. So I'm writing classes, training, teachers, color, and it will start generating logo for you. So many AI tools are there. This is the only one tool that I've given the example over here, right? So many AI tools are there which will help you to even stand alone. You can do a lot many things in digital marketing nowadays. Anything else? Any queries from the participants?
Even can we learn about the content writing also?
Yes. That is a part.
That is a part of that.
Learn how to generate the headlines, on what topic you should write the articles, right? And how to write the articles, corporate principle of writing the articles, blog, right? So then how to write the articles using AI.
Okay, using AI.
Right. So you don't know how to write the article nowadays. Go another day when you have to write the article.
Okay. No grammar checking, nothing. Everything.
But AI is writing, so anyway, don't worry about the grammar. The Grammarly is a old tool now.
So AI is like we need to install or what?
No. It's like the way that I did for the logo, na? Same thing.
Oh, great.
Anything else from the participant before I end the session?
Sir, Deepa Thakkar here.
Hi, yes, madam.
No queries, but thank you so much, sir. It was
Thank you,
wonderful
madam.
session. Thank you so much, sir. So many questions and so many I can relate. I indirectly, directly, I have actually got my answers.
Okay, great, madam.
So
Thank you.
thank you so much. It was wonderful, sir.
Thank you, madam.
It would be
Even-
like 1
Yes,
month,
sir.
right? 1 month course.
5 weeks, 5
5
weeks.
weeks.
Otherwise, it's a 6 months course. 5
Hmm.
weeks, you will be having continuous classes, and after 5 weeks, you will be having classes only once or twice in a month because those classes are going to be advanced in nature.
For the advanced one.
Same here, Ankush sir. Thank you so much. It was a wonderful session.
Thank you, Shefali ma'am.
And we'll get the assistance the whole year, na? If we stuck up in
Yes.
between any technical glitches are there, so that
Yes,
we
yes.
will
So
be-
basically, we have a WhatsApp group, right? So even for the last 2 years, that WhatsApp group is active, right? So we support people on the WhatsApp group. In case you have some other queries, you can trainer will ask you to give a call at particular time.
Okay. You're basically from Nas, where it is located?
Pune, madam.
Pune. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Thanks. Thanks a lot. Wonderful session.
Thank you, ma'am.
So can we get the recording of today's this webinar?
I think
Because
team will be
just
sending the
missed
recording of the team will be sending the recording of this webinar as well.
Thank you so much. That
Yeah.
would be help. And how much time we have? Because I just need time to make a decision.
Madam, 14th of this 14th of March.
Before 14th, we have.
Yes,
to
yes,
get
yes,
registered.
yes, yes.
Thank you.
For any further inquiry, you have named Malvika. So
Yes,
she
yes,
is
yes.
able to-
You can contact her tomorrow.
Yeah, she can.
Yeah, here are the numbers.
Oh yeah, I mean, she'll be able to share the brochure. or
Yes, yes,
anything
yes.
regarding to
Everything,
this.
everything. Yes, sir. Yes,
Or,
sir.
or if you can pass the message to the team to share the
So
brochure about this
did
course.
you attempt the poll, sir? Did you say yes in the poll?
I have already said.
Then you will be getting a
Yes.
reply. Yes, yes, they will be getting a reply.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Lord, thank you. Session.
Thank you, everyone. Okay.
And one more thing. 1 minute. Can I ask?
Yes, Priya madam.
The graphic designing is also included in this.
Yes, no, that is why I told you all the
Logo.
images that you yes. Not logo, it is all your Facebook post, Facebook ads, everything will be learning everything.
Okay, thanks.
So you mean you will be covering Canva?
Yes, camera and details. So generally, people assume that they know camera, but Canva, but people know only 10% of the Canva, right? And
I'm already a Canva educator.
okay,
I
great,
know.
madam. So we do create reels and everything on Canva, right? So since anyway you are into Canva educators, I'm sure you may be knowing about it. But definitely, as I told you, we'll be learning all copyright principles and every other thing as
Yes,
well.
I'm well versed with Canva on all the levels.
Great, madam. So, okay, everyone. I think I have
Yes,
answered all the
thanks.
queries.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
Everyone. I'm just ending the session. Thank you, everyone, for being here. Yes, Medium, as I told you, you'll be getting the recording of the session tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you very
everyone.
much.
Thanks very much. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.